5 new laws that can affect your premium property in coastal Spain. Spain's coastal property market is booming, but before you invest in your premium home by the sea, there are crucial legal considerations that could save you from costly mistakes. Today, we'll explain the 5 essential aspects of Spanish coastal property law that affect all buyers and sellers. Coastal demarcation and Ley de Costas. First and foremost, coastal areas in Spain have an extra layer of authority, the coastal demarcation. This means building permits, renovations, even landscaping can be subject to strict regulations beyond the local town hall. The Ley de Costas often restricts construction in protected zones. You might be limited to renovations only or face hefty fines for non-compliance. Spain takes protecting its coastal lines seriously, so it's essential to find the right property and do all the necessary checks for any hidden and potential problems. Protected areas and building restrictions within the coastal zone. Certain areas are designated as specially protected. These areas, often encompassing dunes, wetland and beaches, may have strict limitations on construction or even prohibit it altogether. Before you fall in love with a beachfront property, ensure you understand the specific regulations that apply to its exact location, so that the beachfront villa you're about to buy might not be able to add the infinity pool you've always wanted, or worse, the charming extension might need to be demolished if it wasn't properly permitted. Due diligence is crucial before purchasing. Contact an experienced, trusted agency to do the essential legal checks. Refurbishment versus new construction. On the other hand, don't assume you can demolish an existing old structure and build your dream home from scratch. In many coastal areas, the Ley de Costas prioritizes the preservation of existing structures. You might be limited to refurbishment only, even if you own the land. Legalization of undocumented additions. Be wary of properties with undocumented additions or modifications. A swimming pool, an extension, even a terrace may lack the necessary permits and registration. This can lead to legal complications during the purchase or even demolition orders later on. An experienced and knowledgeable agency can check for any unregistered, not legalized additions, and in most cases we can register and legalize them, so you will avoid any future problems. Inheritance and complex ownership. Premium coastal properties are often owned for generations, and that comes with some complexities. Inheritance, family disputes, or even divorce can create legal hurdles in the buying process. Make sure you work with an agency that can navigate these sensitive situations with professionalism and discretion. Someone who can ensure a smooth and legal transaction. No matter how complex the family dynamics are, our team of experts understands the intricacies of Spanish property law. For 25 years, we've meticulously verified legal compliance, assisted with paperwork, and handled sensitive situations to the highest satisfaction of our clients. If you are thinking of buying a premium property in Spain, contact us today and let our experts guide you towards a secure and successful purchase.